Do you want to speed up your progress of learning Russian? Click the link in the description to my website. There you can find a bunch of useful materials and book lesson or speaking session with me or other tutors. Try a lesson for free.
Привет всем! Hi everybody, Valery is here. Today guys, we'll talk about pronunciation more carefully. As you already know, from the lesson 1 in our language and alphabet we have two groups of letters. There are vowels and consonants there. The vowels we can split for two parts. One group makes consonant to be soft, and another make them to be hard. And let's pronounce them like counterparts. А, Я, О, Ё, У, Ю, И, И, Е, Е. Use a pause on the video and repeat after me. Well, and the result we have two groups of consonants to pronounce. It's soft and hard pronunciation. For example, the letter L pronunciation is L. Let's add vowels A, Ya, and listen. La, ля, la, ля. Can you hear the difference? La, ля, la, ля. Next pair U, U with letter L. Lu, lю, lu, lю. I want to emphasize that consonants and vowels are connected very strong with each other. If you pronounce hard L, you will never get U after that. You will get U instead. Lu. And in opposite way, if you try to say U after L, then you will get soft L automatically. Lю. More examples. La, ля, ло, лё, лу, лю, ле, ле, лы, ли. You can try another combinations with consonants and vowels. And guys, pronunciation is very important if you want to express your thoughts understandable. Another example. If you say лыжи in Russian, it means ski, and лежи what means to lick. We can make mistake with pronunciation and get another meaning of the word. There are different syllables with stress in these words, but anyway, that's just an example. And remark about soft sign. The soft sign makes our consonant to be soft, but without any sounds after that. Examples. БРАТ, a brother in Russian. БРАТЬ, in Russian, to take. БРАТ, братьь. БРАТ, братьь. There is a difference just with soft and hard T sound. Pay attention for this, please. Are other specific things about pronunciation we will learn during our lessons. If you still struggle with the pronunciation of these sounds, then try to change position of your tongue. When English native speakers pronounce D, T, or R sounds, they up a tongue to the roof of their mouth. But when Russian speakers pronounce that, we do this with a flat tongue, with almost touching or literally touching our teeth, and exhale a bit stronger, like that. Шесть, шесть. Брат, брать. Ест, есть. Брить. Взять. Томат. Торт. Текст. Акцент. Азарт. Живот. More examples and exercises on my website. Then time to read. The easiest way to read is splitting words by syllables. In Russian we usually try to connect consonants to vowels and make pronunciation simpler, like if you would pronounce words without pause. I'll show you.
I prepared for you some words with different volume of syllables, just for practice, with 1, 2 syllables and so on. The first group, 1 syllable. Дом, кот, банк, план, лук, сок. The second one. Мама, папа, луна, буква, лампа, The third one. Музыка. Бутылка. Бумага. Голова. The fourth one. Автомобиль. Америка. Задание. Будущее. Fifth one. Преподаватель. Математика. Did you read with me? If you are not, then go back and practice. As you could see, we connected vowels and consonants by two letters more often, but in Russian you will meet words with many connected of consonants together.
And guys, why I tell you about syllables so much? Because if you just started learn language, you don't need to be hurry. You have to focus with pronunciation and do this gradually. And one little but important thing about stress in Russian. You don't have any rules about making stress in words. That's why you need to listen and try to remember that. I'm done with my explanation. Next, you can practice with reading. Look for materials on my website. All links you can find in the description below the video. See ya! Пока-пока!